Hey, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat sound not working issue. If you appreciate it, give me a like, and if you have any questions whatsoever, comment them down below. I'll try to help you out as fast as possible. I'll try to reply to every single comment pretty much. So if your sound isn't working, the first thing you can make sure you have turned off is the Bluetooth. Maybe you have Bluetooth speakers or AirPods or headphones like I do, and chances are they're connected, and this is why you're not hearing the sound. If that doesn't work, make sure you have the volume up right here. This is an issue a lot of times. If all of this doesn't help, you can actually close Snapchat and open it again, or go on the settings, click on general, go to iPhone storage. Now you want to find Snapchat, and we're going down. Here it is. You want to offload the app, which will pretty much reset it. This helped a lot of people. Or chances are there's an update. Snapchat knows about it, so you just gotta type in Snapchat on Google Play Store or the App Store, and if there's an update function here, update it. Hope this video helped you out. Give it a like. See you in the next one.